In this video, we're going to talk about the sponsor, the organizational roles and responsibilities. Here's our senior design roles overview slide again. The sponsor box is that on the left-hand side. You notice an arrow with the project manager and that red arrow to the squad lead, who will be your main line of communication. It is not uncommon that you have many stakeholders in your company that are vested in the outcome of this project. Many of these stakeholders have become users of the system being created. We want to discuss two roles specifically. The first is the executive sponsor. The executive sponsor is likely the visionary of the project. We welcome the executive sponsor to all release meetings to help keep the team accountable and champion the project both within senior design as well as within your own company. The second role is that of the product owner. There will only be one product owner per project. This is the person in the sponsoring organization that takes responsibility for the product. They'll communicate the vision and ensure that the solution is being developed in a manner consistent with sponsor needs. They are also the advocate for the squad on the sponsor side. From the squad perspective, the product owner is the vision keeper and daily decision maker. They will be present at all meetings and available at other times to ask questions. They'll make decisions as they arise by considering business value. The product owner is completely invested in the product and the final person to answer to for business results. Here are some quick do's or don'ts that we ask of sponsors and product owners. We strongly encourage you to challenge your squad and say what needs to be done, but not so much how it will get done. We'll let the students decide what's best from a technology standpoint. We do ask that you demonstrate a commitment to building a high-performance squad by looking at the long term, not the short term, and practice business value-driven thinking. That is why we use Agile in an iterative mode. Things may change, new ideas may pop up. We also ask that you protect the squad from outside noise. An effective product owner is committed to the work and engaged. They're responsible for the outcome and authorized to make decisions. We have to be collaborative with this squad and knowledgeable about the business purposes and the domain. Some high-level sponsor expectations. Be available to your teams. They may ask questions during the week. Getting back an answer as quickly as possible will help the product. Participate, be at all sponsor meetings and release meetings. Help the teams prioritize the work that they need to do and help test it when it comes time. Be adaptive. Note that as we go through this process, you may want some changes done to the app. We also ask that you provide feedback, constructive feedback to the students. You can do this in your meetings, as well as at the end of each release when we provide a form for you to fill out. And to validate the solution, test it on a regular basis.